If you clicked on this video, chances are you know of affiliate programs like ClickBank and Warrior Plus. I mean, how could you not? They're considered the most beginner-friendly and easiest affiliate programs out there. That is till now. Now don't get me wrong, there definitely is a lot of money to be made with ClickBank selling one product for one commission. But what about collecting multiple commissions from multiple companies with recurring commissions, monthly payments? And what if all those products could be sold in the same place, at the same time, the correct way? If that thought interests you, you're in the right place. Meet Anthony Morrison. He's a mega successful entrepreneur who's made over $100 million online using affiliate marketing. And he's created something unlike anything you've ever seen or heard of before. Allow me to introduce you to Partner with Anthony. When I say it's unlike anything you've ever seen before, I truly mean that. Anthony has created not just a program, but an ecosystem where everybody wins. And it's centered around one thing, and that is education. One of the companies Anthony has collected millions of dollars from in commissions is ClickFunnels. You probably know what it is. Now, the secret to keeping these subscriptions, Anthony says, is to educate your leads on how to properly use and benefit from the tool so that they continue to use it and stay subscribed. Now, in Partner with Anthony, he does this not just for himself, but for you as well. And he does it for more than just ClickFunnels. In this 30-session program, as a student, Anthony teaches you how to build a targeted email list, how to profit from that email list in multiple ways, how to build funnels that convert, how to get traffic that converts, and much, much more. But here's the thing. When you partner with Anthony, you actually become an affiliate of multiple programs such as ClickFunnels, Udemy, GetResponse, and more, which, by the way, are all 100% necessary towards building a strong, sustainable, and real online business. You see, after you learn how to build and scale an online business for yourself, you're no longer just a student of Anthony's, but a partner and his online empire. You see, you're now able to generate leads back into the ecosystem, and Anthony will now be teaching your leads how to build and scale a profitable online business. And in the process, they're going to need a couple tools to get it done, such as ClickFunnels for a landing page, a domain name for their page, an autoresponder to send emails, etc. And when they get to the session in the program where they are taught how to use the tool correctly, your affiliate link will be sitting right there for them to click on and get signed up, earning you a commission. Now, you might remember in the beginning of the video I said, but what about collecting multiple commissions from multiple companies with recurring commissions, monthly payments? And what if all those products could be sold in the same place, at the same time, the correct way? Well, that's exactly what's going on here. Multiple products are being promoted for you in the same place. And most of these products have recurring commissions. So you're building yourself multiple streams of residual income. And the best part is, all these products are being promoted in the best way possible. And that is through education. By now, you can probably see how this is more of an ecosystem than a regular affiliate program. And like I said, the best part of it is that everybody wins. As long as you're committed to making money online, anybody that comes into the ecosystem is going to do it the best and easiest way possible, with handheld guidance by one of the best to ever do it. And that is the beauty of it. Everybody is taught a valuable skill. Everybody has multiple opportunities to make money. Absolutely nobody feels played. Nobody loses. Now, one of the things that makes Partner with Anthony so special is the earning potential. So let's clarify exactly what makes it so special. First, let's touch on the commissions you make as an affiliate for the tools that Anthony teaches you and your leads to use. When it comes to commissions, Anthony likes to focus on recurring commissions so that you build multiple streams of income. The idea being that the more places that pay you at the end of the month, the more security you give yourself when those bills come in. And that's exactly what these tools do for you. Off the top of my head, I can think of 5, and trust me, there's more. And let's not ignore the fact that these income streams just build and build and build over time because you are promoting them the right way, and that is through education. Now, I know we just spoke about multiple income streams, but that's just possibility number 1. Number 2 is going to be email marketing. Now, don't forget that Anthony teaches you exactly how to build a targeted email list and how to profit from that email list by sending promotional emails for other products from places like ClickBank and Warrior Plus. If done correctly, it's common to earn about $1 a month for every person that you have on your list. So if you have a list of 1,000 people, you could potentially be earning $1,000 a month just from email marketing. And the best part about this income stream is that it's completely free. Your email list is a free source of traffic that you can use in any way you want. It's an asset, really. It's your profit zone. The third way you learn how to make money as a partner of Anthony's is by selling traffic on Udemy. Now, for those of you who don't know, Udemy is a platform where you're able to buy and sell what's called solo ad traffic. Basically, you pay somebody with a large targeted email list and pay them for a certain amount of clicks. They then send out an email to their large list and they generate as many clicks as you paid for. Now, keep in mind that people do spend hundreds of dollars at a time on solo ad traffic because they know that it works. And while it might seem simple to collect some payments and send out some emails, Anthony teaches you not only how to do it correctly, but efficiently. That means how and when to send out these emails and how to evenly split traffic if you happen to be doing multiple orders at the same time. This is yet another completely free income stream that you learn how to create for yourself when you partner with Anthony. Now, when you join, you also get access to Anthony's Success Connection, where he literally builds you new businesses every Thursday and gives you everything you need to just plug and play. But I'm going to let you experience the excitement of those details on your own. This ecosystem partner style affiliate program is almost too good to be true, and especially considering the fact that you can count the cost of it on your fingers. But that's definitely not the case here. In fact, the value in the program only goes up and up the deeper you go. And that is why this is the absolute best affiliate program to join anytime, anywhere. No matter if you're a beginner online or an experienced marketer, there is always something to benefit from when you are a partner of Anthony's. Look, if this ecosystem brings you crazy excitement because you see the immense value and possibilities here, I want you to drop a like on the video, get subscribed, and then you can check out the link in my description that'll take you to the full presentation of the program given by Anthony himself. It was a pleasure presenting you with this opportunity today, and I'll see you on the next one.